যে কোনো জিনিস সৃষ্টির একটা আনন্দ আছে। 16 বছর আগে দেশে মোটরসাইকেল তৈরির স্বপ্ন নিয়ে আমরা যাত্রা শুরু করেছিলাম। রানার আজকে একটি প্রতিষ্ঠানে পরিণত হয়েছে।
Bangladesh, a nation on the run. People running here, running there. Through blistering traffic and harsh terrains. Regardless, we all have to be somewhere, delivering promises that need to be kept. This is a story of a company going places and keeping promises. Passionate about giving every rider the ride they desire, the ride that they deserve. Rana Automobiles started its journey in 2000, dedicating themselves to feed the growing demand of the motorcycle market. In a relatively short time, they have been able to win the hearts and minds of riders right across the country. Rana Automobiles employ 638 people who put their hearts into making 100,000 motorcycles every year. Rana also has a network of 270 sales centers, 100 dealers and 13 showrooms and an impressive after-sales service across Bangladesh, providing for 90% of the sub-100cc segment and having a range of 16 models that cater to everyday customer needs. Rana Automobiles already command 13% of the overall market share, and that is growing rapidly. Their most impressive factory premises in Bhaluka is state-of-the-art and possesses the entire manufacturing chain from press shop, weld shop, paint shop, engine and vehicle assembly conveyors, central quality control, research and development. The press shop includes a highly modernized shop equipped with hydraulic and mechanical presses of wide capacities, CNC machineries for idle mold and tooling, which include EDM wire cut, VMC, CNC lathe, NC milling, CNC pipe bending machine, CNC tube bending machine, universal testing machine, hydraulic shearing machine. The weld shop is equipped with MIG, TIG, arc, seam and gas welding machines. The paint shop is fully automated with ABS components, TSA paint and epoxy coat. Engine assembly conveyor includes sub-assembly facilities, leakage testing, engine firing and testing, etc. Central quality control includes specific tests for horn, brake, headlight, winker, magneto ACG, sheet metal, rear cushion, front fork, corrosion and dust leakage test.
আমাদের অসাধারণ সাফল্য অর্জনের পেছনে অত্যাধুনিক সুবিধা সম্পন্ন কারখানাই একমাত্র কারণ নয়, বরং এই সাফল্য কোনোভাবেই অর্জিত হতো না যদি আমাদের সহকর্মীরা কর্মনিষ্ঠ ভালোবাসা ও একাগ্রতা দিয়ে কাজ না করত। আমরা 80 সিসির বাজারে প্রাধান্য বিস্তার করছি। 100 সিসি ও 150 সিসি মোটরসাইকেলের চাহিদা পূরণের জন্য আমরা ক্রমাগত কাজ করে যাচ্ছি। আমরা আশাবাদী দেশের মানুষকে মোটরসাইকেলের জন্য রানার ছাড়া আর কোনো কিছু ভাবতে হবে না।
Rana Automobiles' contribution to the two-wheeler manufacturing industry in Bangladesh doesn't end with making motorcycles. They have been also patronizing and technically supporting the backward linkage industries that have invested into component manufacturing. While Run Industries in Faridpur manufactures two-wheeler seats, QVC BD Limited in Dinajpur manufactures chains, and Dhaka Products manufactures two-wheelers, plastic items, and all three companies get technical support from Rana Automobiles. Rana Automobiles own Rana Motors, a subsidiary with 61.67% shareholding in the business of sales, distribution and servicing of Volvo Eicher trucks and commercial vehicles. Rana Motors employ 541 people and has a 20% market share in the commercial vehicles market in Bangladesh. Since its start in 2004, it has continuously won the Best Performance Award Overseas Market from Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicle, India, If you are wondering where they take these monster trucks when it comes to servicing and repairs, yes, you guessed it, Rana Motors Limited. According to Fitch Ratings forecast in New York, Bangladesh is the #1 upcoming emerging market for commercial vehicles, where Rana will have a big chunk of the market share. Rana Motors provides for the mega demands of 60% of the construction and industrial sector's vehicles. Now, that's mega impressive. But the Rana story isn't just about a Bangladeshi factory building motorcycles and selling trucks. It is a story about building a Bangladeshi company that we can all be proud of. Their story is also about having corporate governance and a can-do culture. The company possessed a solid foundation that has attracted foreign investment and the trustworthiness that assured international board members.
Brahman Partners is a private equity fund. Over the last 6 years, we have invested almost in 6 different companies in different sectors and deployed almost $100 million. Why do we invest in Rana? We see this is a sector that's growing very fast. And the unique thing about Rana is that they are also a manufacturer. Bangladesh being a small country, having a manufacturing base is important for the country as well as for the businesses. And the vision of the sponsors was very much in line with what we saw as a good company. Their openness to build a well-governed company. What I mean by corporate governance, because we see Rana can be an exemplary company for Bangladeshi businesses going forward.
Rana has an independent audit committee chaired by Mr. Phil van Haarlem, a Dutch national with years of experience in automobiles industry. They are an ISO certified company in 3 categories: quality management, environmental management, and occupational health and safety management. With a vision to touch the 1,000 crore taka turnover mark by 2020, Rana Automobiles is all set for a ride of a lifetime.
We have created this organization with devotion, hard work, and love. Now we want to share this with you.
Every journey has a beginning, and where it can take us is endless. We welcome you to join us.